lunchtime. Well, not really lunchtime.
Where's to buy food?
Huh?
To buy food.
Oh, that way. Yeah, there's a Wawa. Yeah, I was gonna say they sell food there.
Yeah.
Wawas.
Where is that?
It's on somewhere on the other side of the airport.
I think it's
That way, yeah. Yeah, eventually I want to stop to get some food. It's on the road? It's on the road? And the 11. Oh yeah.
It's a Gibbs Airvan.
There we go, guys.
You know what I want? I want what is called place gyms, field logistics.
What is it?
On the South Street. Gyms, I think.
The what?
Cheese sticks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cheese sticks.
Oh,
Gyms, yeah.
Jim's or Geno's?
No, gym.
Oh, you said South Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the
Yeah.
best.
I haven't.
Jim's. Yeah.
I haven't.
Jim's is good. There's always a crazy line there.
It's the best, yeah.
It's. You could say it's better than House of Geno's.
Well, I would say that the ones at South Street are better than yeah, Jim's is good. There's just like a crazy long line there all the time. So like sometimes it's not worth it for that line.
Right. But during the week, maybe.
There's one with a crazy name that's like 3 blocks east. They're actually there's a lot of like.
You thinking about going in the city to get one?
No, I don't know. It's spotting.
The what? Oh, you mean in Philadelphia City?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's too far. I don't know how to get back then.
95 would take us that way though.
No, here maybe to go.
You know what they got? You know what I went to? Cause I was here when I was here to visit Shelly, right? On June. I came with this. Well, this guy he came in from Miami. Matthew Tebow. Me and him took a trip to what the fuck's it called? The Philly cheese place on in the city.
Yeah.
Fucking food is awesome there, man.
Are you talking about the terminal market?
No, I think it's by the. No, it's. Oh, what the fuck is? I don't remember the name of the street. It's near. It's an Italian neighborhood.
Oh. Well, that's got to be.
The Philly cheesesteak place. So.
Pat's or Geno's.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Across the street from me.
Yes. Their food is very good. I finally got to try it out when I was here last time.
If you eat enough of them, people say that the ones at Pat's and Geno's are like for tourists.
Yeah, well, there was a lot of people. I can tell you that when I was there. That place was like a doghouse.
Other side of the airport, the track.
We will go this way. I think it'll be easier. Like it goes out, and there's a way. I think you have to go. It's by the highway. 291. I remember I passed there at one point. I remember passing there at one point.
I think it's easier to deal with like
I wanted to make sandwiches at home, but then I see it's no
They sell
time.
sandwiches there.
Huh?
Wawa sells sandwiches.
Yeah.
They got like
their
a lot of good
food's
stuff.
decent. Yeah.
Expensive?
Trust, I'll put it this way. When I came to see Shelly, because she works at a Wawa, like how many times? I mean, I went there many times to get food, and I and it's working. It's working.
Works there?
No, not that one. She works in Brookhaven. We're right by her house.
Alright, yeah, from this side.
What this plane is flying there?
Where we're looking at. Oh, that's Greg was just pointing that out just now.
What do you call that?
Some kind of patrol something? Yeah, it's a caravan. Airborne.
Where is the? Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Second time this is going too.
Anything is now leaving or arriving?
PHL is sitting there waiting. They're working on some kind of issue.
How the hell would that thing have an issue already when it just came in a while ago? Something's coming. Oh. Scare bus. Glad we're getting some light back at least.
Huh?
So I'm glad we're getting some light back.